Hi, I'm Susan Yull. I'd like to show you a no-sew version of a face mask. Here's what you need. A piece of 14-inch square fabric. So I've used cotton, please use cotton. A piece of, maybe it's an old t-shirt, as long as it is stretch and knit, it's 40 inches in length and 1.5 inches in width. So simple and easy. And also 7 safety pins. That's it. You take your 14-inch piece of fabric and make a couple of just simple creases. And then you have your marking. So there's your mark in the center. Then you simply take the corners and cross it over the center mark. So that one corner, the opposite corner, again over that center mark, till you have about a 2.5 inch interior square. And just pin those 2 pieces of fabric in place. Just anchor them together. Very simple. To make the rest of the mask, you fold into the center, you take the tip, fold it into the center, and you take the other tip and do exactly the same and fold it into the center until you have this particular shape. And then you simply take another safety pin and anchor that corner into place and anchor this corner into place. And basically your mask is done. The next step is to take your stretch fabric, thread it through, and then you loop it around and thread it through the other side. And then you take your safety pins and anchor the cord in place. And do exactly the same on the bottom. Anchor that. Now that your mask is all done with your safety pins, you simply take the bottom of the mask where the cords are loose and you gather them like so. And you have created a face mask that you put around the top of your head and tie at the back of your neck. Voila! No sewing, all done.